Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about my real life, and that includes makeup panning, vlogs, and home makeover or cleaning organization videos. So if this is something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video, which is an intro to this year's This Is Pantasy project. All right, this is the introduction to the 2022 to 2023 round 2 of This Is Pantasy, created by Alyshia at Wonder in Alleyland. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project, and it is all about fantasy and mythological creatures. Last year, Ally created this project with 21 prompts. This year, she has added an additional 21 prompts. So now there are 42 prompts in this project, and my goal is to try and do all of them. We'll see. But yes, it starts today, October 11th, which is National Mythology Day, or International Mythology Day, and it goes until October 11th of 2023. You can do it with either monthly or bi-monthly updates. I haven't decided yet. Stay tuned. And it is all about fantasy and mythological creatures. You can do it any way you want. Rolling roulette, bring them all at once and eliminate them as they go, whatever you prefer. I'm going to do this roulette rolling style starting with 5 products. And yeah, let's go ahead. I already rolled all the products and picked the products I'm going to work on. So let's go ahead and get into what I'm working on and what the prompts are. Yeah. Okay, maybe it look a little bit brighter. I have the spreadsheet with the prompt descriptions pulled up on my computer so that I can share those with you, because they are wonderful and I haven't shared them in the past and they're too long for me to write out in my notebook. So the first prompt I rolled is for the prompt Ogre, and that is considered the prompt is for a product that is considered a classic, and the description is a large, hideous, man-like being that feasts on ordinary beings, especially infants and children. It appears in classic works of literature and are often associated in fairy tales and legends with a taste for the young. So that is a product that is considered a classic. So for that, I am going with a classic red lip. Not necessarily the product, but the color and the type of product. And this is a classic red lipstick. This is by Odin's Eye, and this is their cherry red. Is there anything? Velvet lipstick. I have never worn this shade. I got this in the Easter mystery box, and there is a swatch of it. It is a very red. I will have to see if when I put it on myself, if it is a very orange red. In person, it looks kind of a neutral red, but on camera, it looks orange, so we'll have to see how it looks on me. But I am bringing this in to use 5 times because I've never used it. I've only swatched it like twice, this being the second time. And yeah, I think I can pull off a red lip if it's the right color of red. If this is too orange, I may have to pass it on to somebody else. But this is a classic red lip, bringing it in for 5 times for Ogre. The next prompt I rolled is Dragon, and that is underneath my screen. That is a large serpentine legendary creature depicted as winged, horned, 4-legged, and capable of breathing fire or ice. And that is a large product, either packaging, amount of product, and etc. For that, I am bringing in what I consider a very large leave-in conditioner. This is from Design Essentials, It is an almond and avocado leave-in conditioner. I got this at TJ Maxx on clearance for $4. It has 50% more than normal, it says here. There are 12 ounces here, or 350 grams. We're starting right now. I kind of tried to level it off as best as possible. It's about level with the top of the label. I did make a mark here to keep track, and my goal is to use about half of this bottle. So we will see how that goes. I don't use leave-in conditioner often. So yes, half of the bottle on that for the prompt dragon. Next is the prompt zombie. And that is a person that was supernaturally reanimated, walking dead, with decaying, rotting skin, and hungry for brains and hungry for human flesh. And that is a product that is falling apart. So if you watched my project from last year or my recent finale, this is the only product that I own that's falling apart. This is my Rimmel Magnifies Electric Violet Edition eyeshadow palette. One of the hinges is broken, so it is falling apart. I mean, not really falling apart, but it's the best I can do. There we go. So I am bringing in one shade in this palette. I like to focus on one at a time in various projects. If you've been on my channel, you've seen this for a while, but I am bringing in shade number 1, this guy right here. I will give you a swatch of it. All right, it is a pretty basic light champagne color, shimmer, metallic, and my goal for that, I'm going to use it 10 times. Get my makeup eraser. There we go. Clean my fingers off. A minute of makeup eraser. All right. So yes, I'm bringing that shade in for 10 uses. That should be a problem. It'd be a nice inner corner or brow bone highlight shade. So that is shade number 1. Next, for the prompt Chimera, which I skipped last year because I didn't have any Franken products. So Chimera, a fire-breathing female monster with a lion's head, a goat's body, and a serpent's tail. And that is a Franken product. And for that, I'm bringing in the only thing I can think of that is a Franken product. That is this nail polish. This was originally Uranus by Space Systems, Out of This World Glitter. Who knows where that came from. But recently, I got very close to the bottom, and there is a lot of glitter left in here, so I started dumping other nail polishes in there. So now it is a Franken of a couple different nail polishes. The one that was originally in here, a metallic blue and a little bit of a metallic teal. And my goal is to use this 5 times, and I am in the future going to be dumping any polish that is almost empty in here and making it more of a Franken. I didn't prepare a swatch of this particular color. Actually, I might have one. Hold on. Okay, I do remember I prepared a swatch of it. I think this is after I added the colors to it, but it is this shade right here, a blue, trying to cover up all the other ones on here, not that it matters, but this one here is a blue with lots of shimmer. Actually, I added this color. Nope, not that color, but yeah, so it is that one right there. Okay, yeah, that one. These are all the polishes I'm currently panning in some project or another. All right, so yeah, my use is to use that 5 times, and that should be no problem. I love this color, and I love glitter nail polish. And then the last prompt, because I'm working on 5, is for the prompt Pegasus. And that prompt description is a winged divine horse depicted as pure white, and that is a white product. For that, I am bringing in not my white eyeliner, but this NYX finishing powder, HD finishing powder in translucent, but the powder is white. And I have, there we go, a little bit of pan in there. My overambitious goal with this powder is to finish it. We'll see. I haven't had it very long, but I feel like since I use it every time I do my makeup, and I already have pan, I'm going to see how long it's going to take me to finish it up and how many uses that's going to take me. It's going to be fun because it'll be the first powder I've ever finished. Well, a pressed powder I've ever finished. So yes, that is everything for my introduction to this year's project. If you're doing it, let me know. How are you doing it? Are you bringing in all the prompts? Are you doing it rolling style? Are you just working on the new prompts and then working back to the old prompts? So many choices, so many options. I'm just rolling them all in randomly roulette style, and we're going to see where we go from there. So if you enjoyed this video, this introduction to this project and me, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my content, go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me, and I am trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of December. So if you could help me to that journey, I would much appreciate it. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay spooky, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye!